Hey there, this is Geoff Blake, and welcome to Designing CSS Floating Layouts. I'm an artist and an author and a web designer and a video presenter, and I'm really excited to dig into this topic of CSS floating layouts because one of the most challenging aspects of web design is page layout. And there's a huge array of options, but it seems to be one of those deep, dark, murky, possibly scary topics for a lot of people. So I hope to really diffuse a lot of that and kind of get you through some mental hurdles, and we'll have a lot of fun here together, and I'm going to show you a lot of cool tricks as well. So let's take a quick look at what we're going to learn here together. We're going to talk about the fundamentals right off the bat. So CSS floating fundamentals. There's a lot of good stuff in there, and I'm going to show you something else in there called the clear property as well. You'll see how that works. And what I want to do very quickly, or as quickly as I can anyway, is get you into a project so you can actually have a real world sense of how this stuff works. And what we're going to do is we're going to build a graphic thumbnail or a picture thumbnail gallery, all using CSS floats. So it's going to be cool. And then from there, what we'll do is we'll get into some of the different page layout options. And we're going to start off with flexible page layout options. So that's going to be a layout that flexes or expands and contracts based on the size of the visitor's monitor, the size of the visitor's web browser window. And then what we'll do is I'll show you a really cool layout option called combination layouts. So part of the layout is going to be flexible or scalable, and another part of the layout is going to be fixed or rigid or static. It's pretty cool stuff. So I'll show you how to do that. And then we will finish off with a discussion on building fixed layouts or static layouts that don't expand and contract based on the visitor's settings, but remains fixed inside the web browser. So lots of great stuff here. You're going to have a lot of fun. I hope you're up for it. So let's dig into it. CSS floating layouts.